Welcome back. Today's video is about the crypto market in December 2024. Subscribe now for more crypto videos. Disclaimer: this is no financial advice. The crypto market in December 2024. What to expect? The world of cryptocurrency is always a topic of great interest and speculation. Many factors influence the value of cryptocurrencies, such as technology, market dynamics, regulations, and broader economic trends. In December 2024, the crypto market is filled with excitement as innovations and global developments are shaping its future. Let's explore why this month might be a significant turning point for digital currencies. New technologies shaping the market. One of the key factors influencing the crypto market in December 2024 is the advancement of blockchain technology and the adoption of new systems. For example, Ethereum has transitioned to proof-of-stake (POS) with its Ethereum 2.0 upgrade. This change is expected to improve speed, reduce costs, and make cryptocurrency more eco-friendly. The broader crypto community is watching closely to see how Ethereum evolves, especially regarding faster and cheaper transactions. Other platforms, such as Solana, Polkadot, and Cardano, are also introducing updates which may increase competition and impact the value of various cryptocurrencies. Additionally, blockchain is expanding into non-financial areas. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs, popular in 2021 and 2022, may see a revival, especially in gaming, virtual worlds, and collectibles. December 2024 could be a big moment for new NFT projects that attract mainstream attention. The role of regulations. Regulation is another major factor in the crypto world. Governments around the globe are still deciding how to regulate cryptocurrencies and whether to treat them as legal forms of money. By December 2024, we might see clearer rules in many countries. In the United States, ongoing legal cases involving crypto companies could set new standards for classifying and regulating digital assets. Meanwhile, Europe's markets in crypto assets MiCA law aims to create a transparent regulatory framework. This could boost confidence in the European crypto market and encourage wider adoption. However, uncertainty remains. If stricter rules or bans are introduced, this could negatively affect the market. December 2024 will likely reveal how regulations shape the future of cryptocurrencies. Economic factors and their influence. The global economy significantly impacts the crypto market. In 2024, economic challenges such as inflation, interest rate changes, and geopolitical events are shaping investment choices. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin are often seen as digital gold, a way to protect wealth during times of high inflation. If inflation continues in regions like the US or Europe, demand for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies could rise. Similarly, global tensions, such as conflict or trade wars, might increase interest in cryptocurrencies as a safeguard against uncertainty. While this can lead to more volatility, it also drives demand for digital assets. Large financial institutions and investment funds are also adopting cryptocurrencies as part of their portfolios. This trend might further boost mainstream acceptance of crypto in December 2024. Cryptocurrency as a payment method. More businesses are starting to accept cryptocurrencies as payment. Companies like PayPal and Tesla have paved the way, and this trend could continue to grow. In December 2024, new partnerships between crypto companies and traditional businesses might expand the use of digital currencies for everyday purchases. Central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, could also accelerate this integration. If more people start using cryptocurrencies for payments, this could stabilize the market and increase the value of popular coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Decentralized finance, DeFi, and smart contracts. DeFi, or decentralized finance, is an exciting part of the crypto world. DeFi platforms allow people to borrow, lend, and earn interest without traditional banks. Examples like Uniswap and Aave are becoming more popular. In December 2024, DeFi could grow further with new technologies like artificial intelligence, AI, improving the security and efficiency of these platforms. This growth might attract more users and boost the value of related tokens. Conclusion: the crypto market in December 2024 is full of opportunities and challenges. Advancements in technology, increased adoption, regulatory decisions, and economic trends are shaping its future. For both seasoned investors and beginners, staying informed is essential. Whether you're interested in blockchain, NFTs, DeFi, or major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, there's much to look forward to. One thing is certain: the crypto market will remain a dynamic and fascinating space to watch. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.